Hi, why don't we make a lentil soup today? You know, lentils are not expensive and they are a fantastic substitute for meat. They are so delicious. We're gonna make a nice hearty soup that's gonna fill us with nutrients and with deliciousness and is not gonna cost a lot of money. The first thing we're gonna do is boil our lentils. I have 8 ounces, half a pound of brown lentils in here. This doesn't have to be exact, you know, it's half a bag. That's about 250 grams. I wash them and rinse them underneath the tap, then put them in the pot, and you can see I have, I don't know, what is that, maybe 3 inches of water on top of that. We're going to let these boil for about 20 minutes. But first I'm gonna add some salt. I'm heating a skillet with a little bit of oil so we can saute our vegetables for our lentil soup. First thing we're going to cook is our onion. I have half an onion that I diced in here. I diced it smallish. I don't like biting into big pieces of onion when I'm eating soup. All right, we're gonna cook this just for a few minutes until it starts getting translucent. And I'm going to add 4 garlic cloves, which I minced, and a jalapeño, which I finely diced. The jalapeño, guys, is seeded, membrane out, absolutely optional if you don't want the heat. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil here in the middle, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin. We want to cook this for, you know, a minute. We don't want to go overboard with the cumin. We want to have that flavor in there, but we don't want it to be the predominant flavor, okay? I'm going to add half of a green bell pepper. This I diced bigger so we can see it in the soup. I have a couple of carrots which I peeled and sliced. They were on the smaller side. A medium potato which I diced. Also, you know, on the bigger side for the dice, not too big. And I have about a cup of chopped tomatoes. We're just gonna let these saute for a couple minutes and then add them to our lentils. I want you to skim the foam that is on top of your lentils here. Now these have been simmering for about 20 minutes. They still are not cooked through, and that's good. We're gonna finish them with the vegetables. We don't want to turn these into a mush, right? I'm going to add the vegetables that we sauteed into the pot. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water in here so we don't lose any of these flavors. Perfect. I'm going to add some thyme sprigs, some oregano, black pepper, I am going to taste this for salt, and it needs salt. All right, we're just gonna let this simmer for another 15 minutes, maybe 20, until the potato and the carrot are soft, and that's it. Our soup is ready. Obviously, we want the lentils to be completely cooked as well. Our soup is ready. The potato and the carrot are soft. The lentils are nicely cooked through. This is ready for us to serve. Notice that we didn't boil them to death. They're still intact. Look at that bowl of heartiness and goodness. I'm just gonna sprinkle some chopped parsley on top to serve. So now let's eat. I love this soup because it's so clean. You know, you have the nuttiness of the lentil, which is just amazing. I love lentils. I love them in all kinds of forms. Actually, there's a lot of lentil recipes on this website, you know, on this channel. But really, really nice. It's so hearty. It's a great, great replacement for meat. This is really delicious.